cut 2.
Now because of what he's done, because of what we just celebrated, we can sing this out.
We'll stick on him for this first verse, and remember it's going to be quick cuts. Three out like that. Alright, 4, ready 4, you're going to do slow tilt down. Ready 4, cut 4. Good job, 4. Ready 3, start pushing in. Ready 3, cut 3. Good job, 4, I like that. Towards bend 3. Ready 6, cut 6. 1, start wide for me. I'm going to have you do a slow push in at the top of the chorus. Ready 2, cut 2. Ready 3, start that move. Ready 3, cut 3. Ready 1, start pushing in. Cut 1. Ready 5, cut 5. Ready 6, cut 6. Ready 4, start that pull. Ready 4, cut 4. Ready 3, start pushing in. Ready 3, cut 3. Ready 1, keep that movement going. Ready 1, cut 1. Ready 5, cut 5. Ready 7, cut 7. 3, start pulling from there. Ready 3, cut 3. Ready 2, start pulling from there. Cut 2. Ready 4, cut 4. 2, start pushing towards bend. Ready 2, cut 2. Good job, guys. Good job, 2. Ready 1, start pulling from there. 2, keep going in. Ready 1.
I'll give you a walk
cut
if you want.
Sure, yeah, let's do it. Ready 4. Cut 4. Ready 3. Cut 3. Ready 5. Ready 5. Cut 5. Ready 7. Cut 7. Ready 2. Start pulling from there. Ready 2. Cut 2. 3. Start in on Matt the vocalist and pull out. Ready 3. Cut 3. Ready 4. Pushing towards the electric guitar player. Ready 4. Cut 4. Ready 1, start pulling. Ready 1, cut 1. Ready 6, cut 6. Ready 3, start pulling from there. Ready 3, cut 3. Ready 1, start pushing in. Ready 1, cut 1. Ready 5, cut 5. Ready 6, cut 6. Ready 2, cut 2. 3, start wide. Hold it there for just a second. 3, this is going to be a slow push. Ready 3, cut 3. 2, start at 10 on his hands. Ready 4, start that over. Love the lights in there. Ready 4, cut 4. Ready 2, start that pull. 3, start out wide again. Ready 2, cut 2. Ready 3, start pushing in. Ready 3, cut 3. Ready 5, cut 5. Ready 1, keep that pull going. Ready 1, cut 1. 2, start pushing in. Ready 2, cut 2. Ready 4, towards the electric guitar. Ready 4, cut 4. Good job, guys. Ready 5, cut 5. Ready 1, start that pull. Ready 1, cut 1. Ready 6, cut 6. 1, keep going. Ready 1, cut 1. Ready 3, start that pull. Cut 3. Good job, guys. Ready 4, putting towards bend. Ready 4, cut 4. 2, start that pull. Ready 2, cut 2. 1, pick a plate for me. Ready 1, cut 1. Phenomenal job, guys.
Keep me in my time zone when my mind's gone and I'm flying home and I'm stressed out and I'm tempted to get that styrofoam and go pull it up, but you know what's up and you know that ain't gonna solve nothing. I mean, Lord forbid I might fall or something and I'm all or nothing.